BigCommerce versus Wix. Which platform truly offers the best features for small businesses? Well, both have their strengths, but they also have some notable drawbacks. So, which one should you choose if you're a small business owner? Stick around because I'm going to dive deep into both platforms, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one is better suited for your needs. Let's start with BigCommerce. One of the main reasons small businesses love it is for its scalability. If you're expecting your business to grow fast, BigCommerce is designed to handle large catalogs and high-volume transactions. That's because it offers robust features like built-in payment processing and advanced SEO tools to help your business get discovered online. It also integrates with numerous third-party tools, which makes managing your business more seamless. However, one of the challenges with BigCommerce is its pricing. It can be a bit steep for small businesses just starting. The basic plan doesn't include some of the more advanced features you'll need as your business grows, and the pricing tiers increase quickly as you scale up. So, if you're a small business with tight margins, it could feel like you're paying for more than you need. Next, let's talk about Wix. Wix is well known for being beginner-friendly, and is often considered one of the easiest platforms to use. For small businesses just starting out, Wix allows you to build a professional-looking website quickly with its drag-and-drop interface. There are a ton of templates to choose from, and they're all customizable. Plus, it's affordable. Its pricing is relatively low, and it's easy to get started without a huge upfront cost. However, the simplicity of Wix is also one of its drawbacks. It lacks the depth of e-commerce features you'll get with BigCommerce. For example, Wix doesn't have the same level of advanced inventory management, shipping integrations, or detailed analytics. It can also become limiting as your business grows, especially if you need more complex functionalities down the road. Wix can be fine for smaller, less complex businesses, but it's not ideal for scaling. Next thing to consider is customer support. Both platforms offer customer service, but BigCommerce stands out here with 24/7 support and a more robust help center. Wix, on the other hand, offers support during business hours and does have a decent knowledge base, but it's not as comprehensive. If you're a business owner who anticipates needing help at all hours of the day, BigCommerce might be more reliable. The fourth thing to look at is flexibility and customization. BigCommerce allows you to customize your site to a greater extent, especially if you're tech-savvy or have a developer on your team. You can tweak the backend to match your exact needs. Wix is also customizable, but it's more limited compared to BigCommerce. It's definitely the better choice if you're looking for something that's easy to set up without needing coding knowledge, but if you're looking to scale with deeper custom features, BigCommerce is more flexible. So, which one should you choose? Both platforms have their strengths, but BigCommerce is the more powerful choice if you want a scalable, feature-rich platform that will grow with your business. It does come at a higher cost, but the return on investment could be worth it. Wix, on the other hand, is great for beginners who need an affordable, easy-to-use platform, but it might not give you the functionality you'll need as you grow. Ultimately, after trying both BigCommerce and Wix myself, I'd recommend considering an alternative for small businesses that want the best of both worlds, affordability and scalability. There's a platform that's even more intuitive than Wix, but offers the power of BigCommerce features. And the best part? You can try it for free using the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial and some benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Give it a try and see for yourself.